Hi, welcome to my channel Tech Trivia. I'm Siddharth and started new video series Put Your Skills into Practice. Today we are gonna cover episode 1 Field Dependencies. So without any further delay, let's get started. Case study 1.1 Genwatt, a generator manufacturing company, is using Salesforce for its business and the opportunity object is used for tracking the sales deals. John, a director of sales, wants to track the close reason, meaning that whenever a sales representative closing an opportunity, there must be one or more close reasons to be selected. So let's look at the table and understand the relation between the stage and close reason. So first eight stage values are open and therefore no close reason is needed. Second last in the stage field is closed one. Now there must be one or more values from lower price, superior features or best service options. And if user is closing it with close lost stage, then there must be one or more values from higher price, inferior features, and worst service options. The current issue is users are closing the opportunities but not selecting the valid reasons. We are going to fix this problem by implementing field dependency for opportunity object. You need to create close reason field. I already created in my org. Let's quickly log in Salesforce org and let me show you the step-by-step process to implement field dependency. If you don't have Salesforce developer account yet, don't worry. I'm going to drop a link in the description using which you can create your own Salesforce Developer Edition account that you can use to complete all practicals that I'm going to cover in this series. This is my Salesforce Developer Edition account. Once you log in, you need to click on the Object Manager tab and then in Quick Find, you just search for opportunity and then click on opportunity label. Here are a few options. Left hand side, you need to choose fields and relationships. If you haven't created the close reason field yet, create that first and then you can follow along with me. You can click on the field dependencies option. After that, you click on the new button. On this page, you need to choose stage as the controlling field and close reason as dependent field and then hit continue. So there are instructions on this page that says how you can choose one or more values in the below table. If you look at the table, all stages are columns and the close reason are column values. We need to select the close reason for closed won and the closed lost. So what you see on this table right now is just a 5 columns out of 10. So at top right corner of this table, there is a next option. Click that next link and now you will see the close won and the close lost options. Now select lower price, superior features and best service for closed one and then click on include values button and for closed loss select higher price, inferior features and worst service options and then click on include values button. Click on the save. The message says you have not selected the close reason for other 8 stage values and that is okay because those stages represents open opportunities. So close reason is not applicable. So click on OK, and that is it. Let's verify by creating a new opportunity record. Left hand side, click on the app launcher, the 9 dots that you can see, and then search for opportunities. Click on that, and you then click on the new button at top right corner. So on this opportunity creation model, if you scroll down, you'll see the close reason field at the end, but there are no values available because the stage is none. If you change the stage to closed one, and now you scroll down and verify, you will be able to see only those values that you configured for closed one. And if I change it to closed last in the stage field, I'll see the other three values: higher price, inferior features, and worst service. If I choose any other stage, then the close reason becomes blank. So it is working the way we have designed. Now let's quickly see the next use case. Case study 1.2. A telecom company offers various billing plans to its customers, and Maria, a customer success manager, wants to add a smart filter in the app that will limit the list of plans for the user. So user can easily find a relevant plan for the customer. So if you take the closure look of the table, you can find all the plans at right hand side, and left hand side is the type. So monthly, quarterly, biannual, and annual, and other plans. So the solution is to implement field dependency for plan object. Now plan is a custom object, part of a custom application billing system. If you don't know, and if you wanted to create the entire billing system app in your org, then please contact us in the given WhatsApp number in the description. So in Salesforce, at top right corner, you need to click on the gear icon and then select Setup. After that, click on the Object Manager tab, and in Quick Find, search for Plan, and then open it. Left hand side, click on Fields and Relationships option, and then click on the Field Dependencies button. To create a new field dependency, hit the New button. Controlling field should be plan type, and dependent field is plan. And then click Continue. So the first column, the plan type is all. So you need to choose all of the plans and then click on the Include Values button. The second column is Other. So all those plans where you see the duration is 15 days, essentially just first two values are part of Other. Click on Include Values. Monthly plans are those where the plan duration is 30 days. So you'll see the plan duration, the second value after the pipe icon in the plan name. So we got a few where the plan duration is 30 days. Select all of them under monthly plans and then click on include values. Similarly, you need to choose those plans where the plan duration is 90 days under quarterly plans column. and then click on include values. For biennial, choose all of the plans where the plan duration is 180 days. You may ask this question to me, how am I able to select multiple values? So the instructions are right there on the top. If you're using Mac, then hold Shift key and select multiple values. If you are using Windows, then hold Control key and select multiple values. So I've selected all plans where the plan duration is 180 days. Click on include values, and at top right corner of this table, there is view all option. You click on view all, and then you'll see the last column, annual plans, and you choose all those plans where the plan duration is 365 days, and then hit include values. Save it. Great. Now we are ready to test the field dependency feature on plan object. So click on the 9 dots at top left corner and then search for plan. Click on plans and click on the new button to create a new plan. You notice plan type shows a few values, and if you select all plans are visible in the plan pick list. If you choose monthly plans, then only those plans are there in plan where the plan duration is 30 days. If you choose annual plans, then only those plans are available in the plan where the plan duration is 365 days. And if you select other, so only two plans that we have configured for other. So in short, the plan field is displaying different values based on what is selected in the plan type. So that is it. I hope both of these case studies would help you to understand field dependency feature and steps to configure it. If you find this video useful, then please give us a thumbs up and share this with as many people as you can. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notification for my upcoming video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.